I got this set over a month ago. Unfortunately, I did not like the set and I decided not to upload videos. But today I was kind of boring anyways, and I say, okay, I'm gonna make a video about this. And what I didn't like is the barge. If you are familiar with the previous versions from Tomy or his toy companies, this one right here is missing stickers on the sides, on the back, so it's really plain and simple. The good thing is that it's a little larger. I mean, it's bigger than the previous versions, so that's a good thing. And I like the talking and light functions on these engines, but I don't like that big button right here. Those big buttons. I think they are making these products for the little ones. So if you let them run without thinking where are you going to send the engines, they will crash.
Bye, best friend.
So if you don't want to have that kind of accidents or crashes, I recommend you to quickly switch the tracks so your engines will not crash. And I did not like, what I don't like is, for example, if you've seen previously right here, if Thomas stopped, Percy stops right in the middle of the track anywhere, and then just goes. But that might be good for some other persons, people's customers. So that's the thing I don't like it. But anyways, it's thing of tastes. I mean, I don't like it. And this tunnel right here, it's cloth, printed cloth. I've seen some reviews that they have a problem with this cargo. It falls off out of the track, not exactly on the cart. It falls on the side. So, anyways, but the good thing is that this tunnel, it's nice, looks nice, really nice. Forgot to put the stickers, but anyways, it's not bad. I mean, it's, what else can you ask for? Anyways, I think if you are buying this set, you can use this tunnel anywhere. You don't need those special tracks. I mean, if you're planning to use it over here on a straight track or curved track, that is fine. Bickerstone Bridge looks really nice. It's wide. It's excellent. If you have noticed here, where burst thread is, when an engine runs here, it starts right there. So you gotta lift burst thread to release the engine so it can go on its way. This stop track right here is kind of annoying. You always gotta come and let it go, you know, release the engine. I did not like it, but anyways, that's my opinion. So I think the whole set is okay. Everything is. My point is that I don't like this track. I mean, if you wanna let it run across all the set, I mean, you just gotta put some tape on it, push it down, or change this track for a curved track maybe. I don't like this tunnel at all. I don't like these big buttons right here, and the other things that I don't like it is when they are one engine stop, the other one will stop anywhere, and they can't stop talking, and they talk and talk and talk a lot. That anyways. So the other thing that I don't like is it's the big noise these wheels make on the track. You cannot appreciate, or you cannot hear the talking function. Let me show you right here. So as you have seen, there will be a lot of derailments on this set. I'm not trying to be a kind of picky person on this set. I mean, the set is okay, but I don't like it compared to the old Trackmaster. I prefer the old Trackmaster sets. I mean, I'm used to the old Trackmaster sets. That's one of the other reasons I did not like, I didn't try to upload a video about this set. But other than that, I think if you take these talking engines and use your regular or standard Trackmaster, it will be better for me than the talking engines. I mean, you have just a regular Trackmaster train running on the whole set, and that's my opinion, it's better than the talking engines. You will find out it's kind of annoying for me that these engines go and stop somewhere, you know, so one stops and the other one comes and stop in the middle of the anywhere, any track. So that's why I don't like it, and that was kind of one of the things I did not like it. That's why I did not upload a video before. So again, this is my opinion. The set is nice. It's nice for little kids, you know, between 2 and I might say 7. But that's it. I mean, for the rest of us, I mean, if you take these talking engines, you can better use these ones. And what you can do is collect them, hold it for a year, and this might be expensive. Right now the set is for 35 bucks, you know. So if you're buying it on eBay or Amazon paying 70 bucks, I mean, why are you doing that? Just go to your store, your local store, and buy it for 35 bucks, 34.99, 98 something. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.